We started Viceroy Building Solutions in 2009, and we did it because a lot of homeowners were struggling getting their homes up. They tried to take on the general contracting position themselves, and people going into it for the first time don't realize it's a full-time job, and it can be quite stressful. And so we wanted to offer a service that would take all that work and hardship away from the homeowners and just really control the project for them.
When you're hiring all the trades and taking care of it, it takes a long time to do that.
We basically had them do everything. We expanded what we started off to do. We were just going to have a basement that we'll deal with later. And then finally we said, well, they're there.
What it does for us, it frees up our time. So the variance wasn't very large in dollars and cents. It was more important to free up our time.
We have several different construction packages because there's different consumer types. A lot of homeowners want to be hands-on and help us out and maybe take over the finishing of the home after a certain point. Or a lot of homeowners that utilize VBS want to stay engaged and take part in the building process. And if they have a relative or somebody that's a plumber and they want us to utilize that person, we're able to do so. We also offer full turnkey services, which is we take it right from permit application process right through to the final inspection.
At Viceroy, we manufacture many of our own products.
And then that keeps it on time too. I mean, we control a lot of that stuff. All the problem areas that you're going to see in a construction site, waiting for trusses, waiting for windows, waiting for kitchens, it just doesn't happen because we know when it needs to be out there and we'll time that accordingly out of the plant.
Our vertically integrated systems allow us to go from screen to machine to job site flawlessly.
They already have this infrastructure, all the engineering capabilities. We saw the product quality when it was delivered. The wood wasn't warped. We saw the plant. They make their own windows. So it was amazing to see why they're a successful company.
We have mobile crews, and they're dedicated, or they work exclusively for Viceroy. And you know, they just pack up and go, and they come home and the house is done.
When they say they're going to do something, they come out and they do it, and they put that little extra in there, and if they're not happy with something, they keep coming back to what's done right. And they're very fast turnaround. I mean, sometimes we have to make arrangements to be up here. Other times, if we can't, they still come up and they get it done. You come up, oh wow, when did they get that done? You know, so they've been very, very good that way.
We're trying to put a construction company together that fits people's needs and people's wants. And we're really trying to put integrity back into construction. One of the ways we're doing that is we don't bring surprises, financial surprises, into the process. We'll give them the opportunity to have a look at the pricing before we proceed, and they sign off, so they go through it eyes wide open.
It's what I've always heard about the Viceroy brand. You get a good feeling that you're dealing with the right people. They know what they're talking about. They listen to you, they take care of the job. We have any complaints, they take care of the complaints for us. And it makes our life a lot easier.
It's the biggest investment most people are ever going to make in their life. We know how important that is, and we really respect that. As we move through the construction process, we don't forget it.